Arms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G for Cricket Wireless. So this is a new phone for Cricket Wireless. It's available as of January 7th. So if you guys are looking to get like a budget Samsung phone, the Galaxy A13 could be worth checking out here. So it's available now for $229.99 if you guys are switching to Cricket. It's $229.99 if you're a new customer. If you're a current customer, it's $229.99 as well. So it's available in black. So yeah, the main selling point of this phone is that 5G on it. So there's the front of that. You guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. The left side of the phone has your micro SD and SIM card slot right here. On the back of the Galaxy A13 is your triple camera system along with your camera flash, Samsung logo, and like I said, it's available in black. Alright. And you guys also have the option to pay monthly for it at $10 a month at 0% APR with the firm. So if you guys want to pay monthly for it, go ahead, which I would not recommend you guys do. I recommend you guys just buy the phone outright at $229.99. So yeah. So it has a 6.5-inch display, a 50 megapixel main camera, 64 gigabytes of storage. It says hey, bring your A game with the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G, one of the most affordable 5G phones on the market, crafted with a functional, durable design. Enjoy lightning quick downloads and a virtually lag-free experience on the edge-to-edge 6.5-inch display. Embrace your inner shutterbug with the high-res triple cameras, plus a long-lasting adaptive battery that will keep up no matter what your day brings. Right? Features: triple lens camera, countless possibilities. Say cheese may come your new catchphrase. Thanks to the Galaxy A13's 5G triple lens camera system, capture every vivid detail. Whether you are snapping cityscapes or family portraits, entertainment ready. Enjoy games and video streams and styles with a 90Hz Infinity V HD Plus display, outfitted with a fast and reliable processor for a virtually lag-free 5G experience. The Galaxy A13 5G is ready to elevate your entertainment experience to awesome. So you do get a 90Hz refresh rate on here, so that's very nice. A battery that adapts. No more racing to the nearest outlet. The Galaxy A13's 5G has a long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery that adapts to your usage to save more power. That way you can keep browsing, texting, and streaming no matter what that day has in store. So you see, get great battery life on this phone regardless, because it only has a 720p display. So battery life should not really be an issue on this phone. It shouldn't be. But it also depends on how you use the phone as well. Specs on here: this is a budget phone, like I said. You get Android 11, which is very nice. The latest, and well, it's a Android version behind now. So Android 11 is still pretty good. Dimensions: 6.47 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate. 64 gigabytes of storage. I'm gonna say 4 gigabytes of RAM on that. Of course, it has 5G on, of course. Wi-Fi 8, 211 ABG and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, mobile hotspot, and Wi-Fi calling. You do get 3 cameras in the rear at 50 megapixels, 2 megapixel macro, and the 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Processor is a octa-core processor. I don't know the processor on this phone. I honestly don't. You get a 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging and stuff like that on here. I'm pretty sure you do. accessories. If you guys want to get accessories on the phone from Cricket, they got a couple of accessories here. They got cases, screen protectors, and stuff like that. But I suggest you guys go to Amazon and get your accessories. Get your accessories for the Galaxy A13 5G, because you'll have more varieties and they'll be much cheaper on Amazon to get your accessories. So you go to Amazon and type in Galaxy A13 5G to get your accessories. So yeah. So if you guys are looking for a budget phone or whatever, the Galaxy A13 is worth checking out. It is a very nice looking phone. It has pretty decent specs for what it is, a budget phone. The main selling point, that has 5G on there, so you're getting 5G on the cheap, so that's a win. You get a big ass battery, big ass screen, stuff like that. So specs on here are pretty good for what it is, a budget phone, so not bad for $230. So if you guys want a budget mid-range Samsung phone, the Galaxy A13 5G is worth checking out at Cricket Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you last me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.